We're going to try our hands at fried green chilies this evening. So we got some of these good Anaheim chilies here, green chilies. And Gina's cut them up, cleaned them, got the seeds out of them. Going to make some beer batter to go with them. And we're going to deep fry them in some oil. Okay, so we're going to fry up those green chilies, and we're going to have grilled cheese sandwiches with it. Got my Camp Chef stove here. And we are waiting for the thermometer to get up to 375 on the oil for deep frying. These are going to be good in beer batter. Okay, we're almost there. The temperature is just so close. We're going to go ahead and throw some in here in just a moment. And we got the griddles hot. And over here we've got everything ready, laid out here. Grilled cheese sandwiches ready to go with the batter. The green chilies. A pan with paper towels on it to drain the chilies after they come out of the deep fryer. A lid to throw over the top of the grilled cheese sandwiches to get them done faster. Okay, so our first attempt at doing fried green chilies, found that the batter's a little thin. It's not leaving a whole lot of batter on these chilies when they cook up. So you can see there's some batter on them, but we'd like it to be a little bit thicker than that. So we're going to thicken up the batter and do another batch. Okay, so we've cooked up the chilies. We've got grilled cheese sandwiches, got a little ranch dip. And it looks like Gina said they're pretty good. So we're going to dig in here. Looking good. These chilies turned out really good. Man, just dove into one and they have so much flavor. They are so good. We're putting a little bit of ranch dip on them.
You don't even need the ranch dip.
Yeah, they're just, yum. Good stuff. Well, we finished those green chilies off and they were fantastic. You know, this is something you can do when you're on the road. It's not a lot of prep. Just buying the Anaheim green chilies. We did 2 of them, and they're about 8 inches long. And just clean them, get the seeds out of them, cut them into strips, and just make up your batter. You can use beer batter, you can use a tempura batter, you know, whatever you want. And they just fry up real good. We heated the oil to 375, which was recommended.
Make the batter a little thicker.
We made the batter a little bit thicker, just so there was a little bit more batter on the green chilies, and they came out fine either way. So, you know, when you're traveling and you want to whip together something quick and easy, this is something you can do here. Grilled cheese sandwiches and Anaheim green chilies deep fried worked out really well. You know, ovens in RVs aren't the greatest, they aren't very big, but I found a Camp Chef oven that I really like. We do a lot of our cooking in this Camp Chef oven. It's great. Runs off the little 1-pound canisters. And this particular model, lift this up and you've got 2 burners up here on top, which is nice. It's not very big either, but you know what? It holds a muffin pan, regular size muffin pan. I've got my thermometer in there. We got it turned on. We're going to make some fish sticks here today. But man, you know, I've made brownies in here. I've made berry cobbler. We've done crumb cakes, all kinds of stuff. It holds a Costco lasagna. You know, that 2-pack you can buy of Costco. That lasagna, that fits right in there perfectly, and it cooks up so nice. So these things run about, I don't know, between $250 and $300. We found ours on Craigslist for $50. It was brand new. Plus it came with a real nice cover. It came with the cover that Camp Chef provides. These covers are $50 themselves.
This little pan, parchment paper. Never used it before. But if you're going to cook right on your pan, try out the parchment paper. Alright. Finished product.
There we go.
Alright.
Fish sticks ready to go.
And then, this nifty little clip. Really strong. Really strong. They go in the freezer. They go in your chip bag. And the best thing about them, you get 6 for $1 at the dollar store.
Now the oven's up to temperature. We're going to go ahead and throw the fish sticks in. It's a perfect fit. All right. We're going to give them about 8 minutes and turn them, and another 8 minutes, and we'll take them out. Fish sticks are ready. We did some homemade tartar sauce, and forgot to turn on the video camera while we were making the tartar sauce. The fish sticks are ready. We're ready to sit down and eat some dinner here. All right, and what we did with the fish sticks tonight is we made fish stick sandwiches with the homemade tartar sauce that we forgot to videotape making. And that parchment paper we put down on the baking sheet for the fish sticks now is easy cleanup. Just take it right off and toss it, and your cookie sheet is still clean. Look at that. Well, yeah, you know, just some little tricks, and makes things easier in the kitchen. All right, another thing that is handy to use while you're cooking is a spatula. Now, this isn't just any spatula. This is a hard plastic spatula. It doesn't give. I mean, it's pretty stiff, so it doesn't give, and it's great. And it's great for when you have a streusel coffee cake in a non-stick pan. You don't want to use a knife in there to scratch it. So this is good for cutting through your streusel coffee cake without scratching up your pan.
Or brownies.
Yeah, whatever you're cooking in there. There, see? Works great. And we're going to have some streusel coffee cake. We're going to enjoy this now after dinner. Oh, yum. What happens when you're traveling with your dogs and they turn 2 years old? We have a little birthday party for them. And we're giving them a cupcake today with a couple of candles on it because they did turn 2. The 2 sisters, we have Hannah and Pepper. And they just love their cupcake.
You. All right, happy birthday. Oops. Another bite of cupcake. All right. Happy birthday. Oh, I think they like their birthday cupcake, Dad.
I think so.
Just put that whole thing here on the floor. Mama will take care of it.
And there you have it. They ate their cupcake and they just enjoyed the heck out of it. And I think it's time for us to have a couple of cupcakes too.